Hello, my name's Rob, and for those of you that don't know, I'm a full-time photographer and videographer, and I run Rad Stuff Photo Video. So I currently don't have an office, and what that means is that I tend to find myself working in some pretty strange and not always productive places. But fortunately, all of that is about to change thanks to my new mobile office, baby! So the base vehicle is a VW Caddy Maxi. I went for the Maxi over the standard Caddy because it's the lengthy boy version, and we all know that extra little bit of length makes all the difference, especially if, like me, you're compensating for an absolutely bang average size gear stick in the front of the van. This is perfect for changing gears whilst driving and balancing snacks on. In the back we've got this dope bench that runs the entire length of the back of the van, and it also doubles up as a pull-out bed. A couple of different spots for storage. So the bed is an absolute game changer for travelling for work, obviously, and then for sunrise shoots as well. Takes all the stress out of it. Just get there like the night before, get a solid night's sleep, and then just pop up an hour before sunrise, ready to go. I could probably just leave me slippers on as well, to be fair, so win-win. So this here is the desk setup, perfect for just editing stuff out on the go, and I've got all my electric stuff here. So there's a leisure battery underneath the bench that powers this stuff here, and there's an inverter for camera batteries and like laptop and stuff like that. So like I could edit literally all day in here, no stress. It's dope. And then this is a power socket for the electric hookup at the back, so for a campsite or something. All sorts of storage stuff going on. There's a stove in there. I can't cook for shit, but I've got one anyway. I can make a cup of tea. That's all I need really, innit? Let's be real. Cutlery, all that sort of stuff, like plates and bowls and stuff. And then down here we have the important stuff. I'll just show you what's in here. A little stash of Class A drugs. No, it's just tea bags, yo. Some gas canisters, because what's a van without some fire hazards? And a fridge. That is the new office setup. I didn't really want to like hire an office space. It felt like dead money. So I sold my car, bought a van, and turned it into an office / micro camper. Because YOLO! It goes without saying, obviously, that I'm going to make a lot of videos about the various ridiculous adventures this van is taken on. So if that's the sort of thing you might be interested in, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video. The algorithm loves that, doesn't it? F***ing algorithm, man. Cheers for checking out the video, and hopefully I will catch you in the next one. See ya!